Hola, buenos dias, ¿cómo están todo? Well, it's a beautiful day today. Yeah, I just came from my morning walk. Yeah, walking actually is what I do every single day. Yeah, to enhance my health and stamina. And after that, back to my reaction blogging. Yeah, so today, I'm gonna do a reaction to the performances coming from the Pangkat Agimat and the Tawag ng Tanghalan Grand Prix back today, April 10, 2025. So the performances that we gonna be reacting comes from Aina and Jessa. So this would gonna be interesting, because we will be watching two equally talented artists competing with each other. So let's go dive in. We will see who would be the lucky one today. Come on. Okay. So this is Aina. She's beautiful. Lani. Maganda ang boses. Wow. At ang mukha. With the proper emotion. Maybe this is the mother. Ganda ng kanta. Ganda ng boses. Raspy voice siya. Oh. Yeah, I like the emotion that is showing. Maganda ang pagka-raspy ng voice niya. Yeah. Bagay din sa kanta. Yeah, I like the way she's singing the song. And the proper emotion. Oh. Okay. Okay. Nice shifting. Yeah, from the low notes to the higher notes. Okay. Nice. Oh, wow. Oh. The emotion. Magagaling din ang mga contestant, no? Mahirap din pumili. Wow. Nice. Oh, so Jessa. Iba ang atake niya. Aina is raspy voice. Si Jessa is smooth. Yeah, very smooth. Calm ang voice niya. Oh, wow. Maganda rin ang pinapakitang emotion sa kanta. Mahirap talagang pumili, no? Ang gagaling. Pagdating ng panahon. Ang ganda rin kanta. Maybe this is a mother. Yeah, very smooth ang voice niya actually. Oh, kaya niya rin ang high notes. Yeah, yeah, I can reach the high notes. Oh, oh, medyo, nice. Oh, 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 what happened? Nabilangan siya, nasa mid. Nabilaukan siya, ano, yeah. Oh, pero bumawi. Maganda rin ang pagbawi niya. Nakabawi siya. Pero sayang. Kaya sa mga competition, it needs that you have to be really, really in good condition, no? Sayang yun, nasa mid. Ang ganda pa naman ang boses niya, no? Sayang. Anyway, that's how competition is. Yeah, so that's it, guys. We have just watched performances coming from Aina and Jessa, who are both equally talented artists. Hope you enjoyed, guys, and I hope to see you on my next video. Adios.